Alright guys, so today I need to clean the hot tub, the jacuzzi, and you can see it's kind of bad and very dirty, so we're gonna grab some stuff. Alright, and obviously starts to clean it now. Alright guys, time to get moving. Let me fix the camera and let's start.
Only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it right. Close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here. I'm looking up at the door. I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the cell, may never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah, only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love. Just a little, take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. I'm in the cell, I may never make it out. And in the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah. Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love.
Guys, this component needs to be stored indoors for the winter. Alright guys, the pump is fixed. Now we need to fill in the pool, but don't forget to put the chlorine or activated oxygen immediately, because otherwise algae and microbes will thrive.
Only your love, only your love.
Alright guys, so this is long-term chlorine in capsule form. You can see here. Okay, so we need to add 1 or 2 while the water has been filled. Alright, so this is gonna float, guys. Float soon and provide chlorine. Alright guys, so the hot tub is ready, although as you can see it's still quite cold. I switched on the pump, it's 11 degrees, so it needs to be warmed up. Let's see if the bubbles will work. Let's switch it on. Oh yeah, perfect. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time. Alright guys, the jacuzzi, the hot tub is nice and ready. It's covered. Now we need to warm it up and it's gonna be perfect for another season.